Okay, so I'm going to be comparing three purchases I made during the 2024 Thanksgiving and holiday season. Um, Basically, I bought this Meta Quest 3S from Costco. Uh, this one is the 256 GB version with Arkham Shadow included. I think all of them had Arkham Shadow included, all of the versions. So this one was from Costco. I don't remember the price, but this one was included this from Costco. It included this Meta Quest compact carrying case, and I think so. This one, the versions that were selling in the other store were not the 256 GB versions on sale. I think they were the 128 GB versions. But later on, the other stores also started selling the 256 GB version on sale. So this one was from Costco, the 3S. Costco didn't sell the 3, it just sold the 3S. So I got this one from Costco. The compact carrying case, though, is not big enough to hold something with a bigger strap or a elite strap or one of those, so this may be useless to me. um so this was the MetaQuest 3S. Then the second one I bought was the MetaQuest 3. This one was on sale at Target in the actual physical store. I think it was a 30% off during the sale time. So this is the MetaQuest 3 from Target. um, and for either of these, I thought a good strap would be good, a boost strap with a battery. So I got this on Amazon. It's the Kiwi H4 Boost strap with the battery, on sale for $39. So I'll try these on either of those. And then also I got PlayStation VR2. This one was on sale at on the Costco website, so I ordered this online. Um, these two were bought purchased in the store, so this one was online, and I forget the price. I think it was 350. This one, the PlayStation VR2, and from Costco online, and it included this charger, VR2 controller charger, which was uh, a good deal, and other stores didn't offer the charger included. So yeah, so that's basically what I bought. I'm going to be comparing these in terms of size and features, but also going to be unboxing them. So this one, the PlayStation VR2, I'm also going to be unboxing this one. So this has a box inside too, which has to be opened. Kind of harder to open this box. Wonder why they make it so hard to open boxes. But these are the other two boxes. This is the box for the 3S. That's what it looks like. This is the box for the 3. The box for the 3 is a little more solid and fancy. And the 3S, and this is yeah, so that's the 3S box, and this is the box for the 3. I'm still trying to open this Costco box, which is a little harder to open. It's harder to remove the box. So finally able to open this Costco PlayStation VR2 box. I had to kind of hold it upside down, and anyway, got this open too. Okay, so here's all 3. That's all 3 in comparison. I need a scissor to open this box also. Yeah, so these are all 3 boxes. Opening in comparison. And I'm going to compare these in more detail. The VR2 has this strap that is a bigger strap as compared to the Quest straps, which are just the stock basic straps. These are the ring style controllers also, which is what the Quest 2 I believe had, those more like the ring style controllers. Yeah, so that's what they all look like. The VR2, Quest VR2 is definitely a bigger size. And it looks like the Quest 3 is a slimmer size than the Quest 3S. Probably the pancake lenses is what makes it smaller. So that's the basic comparison of all three in terms of size. Obviously, I will compare the size again after installing the strap, the H4 Boost strap on particularly the 3, and then compare all three in size again. And we look at that in a different video.